Hi guys, so the night photography on the S22 Ultra is absolutely amazing. Samsung dropped a couple of sample shots from the Winter Olympics in Beijing, and it really does look like game-changing nightography. We've gone over every detail about the S22 and S22 Ultra, so in this video, we're gonna go over the sample shots and every detail about the S22 Plus. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So Samsung's selling points for the S22 Ultra is its amazing low light photography. We've seen trailers that teases the camera breaking the rules of light in low light situations, and now Samsung released a couple sample shots taken by the S22 Ultra from the Winter Olympics in Beijing. There are a bunch of low light shots that has some really good quality and detail with nice exposure and balance. It also shows some vibrant, beautiful colors, and it doesn't overdo it to make the night images look like daytime. They also showed a really harsh HDR situation by taking a direct shot of the sun, and it doesn't overexpose the sun. It's a well-balanced image with really good HDR performance from Samsung. Anyway, we had previously gone over the details of the S22 and S22 Ultra, so this time we're gonna go over everything about the S22 Plus. The S22 Plus is gonna be the middleman in the S22 series, right between the S22 and S22 Ultra. It's gonna share some similarities with both the Ultra and the base S22. With the Ultra, it's gonna have a similar 1750 nits peak brightness, and will also have the 45 watts charging speeds like the S22 Ultra. With the base S22, it's gonna have a similar camera system, the same color options, the same storage options, the same display refresh rate, and the same availability. So it's gonna be available on the 11th of March, just like the base S22. Now, what's unique to the S22 Plus is its screen size, battery size, and its price. The display is gonna come in at 6.5-inch diagonal, which is smaller than the 6.7-inch on the S21 Plus. It's also gonna have a smaller battery at 4500 mAh compared to 4800 on the S21 Plus. And for the price, it's gonna be the same as the S21 Plus, so $999 for the base variant. The S22 Plus is also gonna take up the smallest portion of the entire S22 series, with just 10% of the S22 series production. Samsung isn't betting big on the S22 Plus. Its attention and resources was pushed more towards the S22 Ultra, which is gonna be the star of the Unpacked event. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.